I had a question recently by one of the viewers to the channel regarding guitar, and I want to show you my fingers to kind of illustrate what I'm talking about. So they ask, is it supposed to hurt? So yes, when you're first starting out guitar, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt quite a bit, and your fingers might look like that. They might even look red and raw from like holding the strings. One thing I noticed as a beginner when you're starting out, you tend to grip the strings a lot harder than you normally would because you're getting used to playing for the first time, and even like the rest of your hand might even hurt your wrist just from playing. And what it seems to me is that some people do give up because it hurts too much, so then they just quit. So there is no simple solution to this problem other than you just got to keep playing it. And it's just kind of, think about it like working out. So when you go to the gym, you know, the first time you go to the gym, you're going to be sore, but the more and more you go to the gym, your muscles adapt, and it's going to hurt less and less the more you do it. So no quick solution other than just stay at it. Maybe take some quick breaks, right? If your fingers hurt too much, just take some quick breaks and get back to it. But I do promise you this, if you continue to do it, it won't hurt as much anymore, and you'll develop that muscle. And then you won't have to hold down the string so hard anymore. It'll just come naturally to you. So I just wanted to touch base on that. If you found this useful to you, please give the video a thumbs up right now. And if you would like, please subscribe to the channel for more guitar tips and tricks. I'll be happy to assist you. Give me some comments. Let me know what you enjoy about the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.